Alright guys, we're back with... I don't even know what part this is. But yeah, we're back. Continue on with the game, I guess. Versus enemy team.
So David, what's your favorite Mario Kart character?
I don't know, depends on the game.
What's your favorite Mario Kart character? Like, I'm saying all.
Yeah, the character I like in one game may not be in the next one. Like in Mario Kart Wii, I prefer Dry Bones. He's not gonna be in every one though.
We could look up on Google.
I know he's not in every Mario Kart game.
I might win this round.
I think I'm gonna win this round.
Dang!
Oh, Jesus Christ. These little guys from Dig Dug. Wrong button.
I wanna know what David's face would be like when his 3DS Switch died.
I'm about to go charge it right now. So who won? Ah, oh, god damn it, Rob won.
I told her a robot could beat a doll.
I was third. Beat Dark Pit though.
Dark Pit?
Yeah. Alright guys, I guess I'm done with my little...
His thing.
Yeah, my thing's about to die, so... But hey, guess when the last time I charged it was?
I don't really care.
No, guess.
I don't know, a year?
The beginning of last month. I haven't charged it in a month, and it barely died now.
I don't even play with my 3D. Yes!
Barely.
I got a full belly, David! Or even plushy. David, get out of my room. I think I lost his charger. It's not in my bed. Oh! Yes! First try, I think. I don't even know what it's called anymore.
Dude, I hate you so much.
Why?
Why did you turn it off from the light switch?
Oh.
I've had my phone here for the past like 20 minutes and it didn't charge at all.
Wow.
Did you disconnect?
I forgot it.
Next time, just turn off the light. Next time, just turn off the light.
I was too lazy.
I guess I'm gonna be here with you and watch you play.
So David, if you were a chef and didn't get your dream job, what would you bake? I finally weren't here for the last of YB.
What?
We weren't here for the last of YB. It's a bummer.
Why?
I think I did it 2 tries or 1 try.
What's it stuck on?
Yes! There's gonna be no more sushi left on the next turn. Okay. David, look at his face. Wait, no, I can't zoom in. Just look at that sushi's face.
Looks so happy.
This looks so happy and then it just gets eaten. So David, what's the game that you really want?
I don't know.
I really want to beat Hate Escape 3 so bad. Even though
It's so easy.
I know, but then like on the last level, I just can't find that secret hidden place.
I don't know. I guess the only game I'm playing through. Actually, I'm playing through like a few games right now. I'm playing through Saints Row 4. I want to beat that one. I also want to beat Metro 2033.
This is gonna be a
Assassin's Creed 2
long day.
is another game I want to beat. It looks like a jelly bean.
I know! But like in the second, guess which character you can play as?
Girl?
No. Bacon dog. You gotta have like 60 golden sushis.
A game I haven't beaten in a while, or I haven't beaten that's been on my Xbox for so long, is Charlie Murder. I definitely want to beat that one.
Yeah, and I beat Cottonbox Gator before him.
Yeah, we should like binge that game.
I just like raged through it. And we did a multiplayer together.
What's the point of moving that picture?
Oh, you don't have to move it. That thing moves heavy. And there's also sushi.
I did go for Kieran until I get these. That's your final cat.
Oh, I didn't play.
There is one game I want to record though. I'm gonna record some Titanfall gameplay.
I have not seen you play Titanfall for a long time.
It's because our internet's been so slow and bad.
Those are all toys. Then the end.
That's the end of the game.
Yeah, that's the end.
He doesn't get the real one. He just gets a toy.
Yeah, he gets a toy that looks so much like it.
That's a bad ending. I would have preferred if he actually got the real one, not a toy.
But then he couldn't find her. But then like he thinks it's real.
But
It's a cat!
But I'm a human being and I know it's not real. That's what's sad about it. You can play this on your iPod because you have an iPod now.
Whoa! Yeah.
Okay, well, that's it. She's done with this game now.
I think it was all in one episode.
No, we split it up into like 2 or 3 parts.
Oh.
So yeah, guys, peace. That's it for Sushi Cat. Let's play / family bonding. Are you happy you beat it?
Yes. I beat
Alright.
second. I won't be doing the second.
Just looks so happy right there. Look at everything just looks so happy.
All of it. This is why I really like Hawaii stuff. It's just adorable.
Too kawaii to live, too sugoi to die. Hopefully Stuart saw that. Alright guys, peace. Have an amazing day.